Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, example 5. The question is, Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3300 including a tax of 10%. Find the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. Okay, so VAT tax has been added with the item cost. Okay, and then it is around rupees 3300. Tax amount is 10%. We need to find the MRP of the air cooler. Okay, so generally the bill amount is given by cost of the item plus tax. Okay, so here what they are saying, the cost of the item, that is not given. Okay, so that is what we are going to find out. So let cost of the item equal to x. Okay, so x plus and tax amount. Okay, so tax amount they didn't given, but tax percentage they have given. Okay, so this is the tax amount, right? So tax amount generally it is given by the particular tax, that is 10% of the cost of the item, right? 10% here, so 10% of cost of the item. So 10% is nothing but 10 by 100 into cost of the item I don't know, so it is given by x. So coming to the formula, okay, bill amount is given by cost of the item plus tax amount. Tax amount is given by 10 by 100 into x. Cost of the item is given by x. Bill amount I already know that it is 3300, right? So 3300, which is equal to cost of the item is x. Tax amount is 10 by 100 into x. Okay, so let me write here left hand side the value whatever you have 3300, just write in the right hand side. Okay, interchange your terms and write. So x plus 10x by 100 is given by 3300. Okay, so just I am writing the right side value to the left side value to the right side. Okay, so the equation are same. Why? Because I am going to find out x value. So denominator it is 100 is the LCM. Okay, so what will you do? X into 100. X into 100 is what? 100x. Okay, plus 10x, because here the denominator is 100, so nothing to multiply here. It will be 10x as it is, which is equal to 3300. So numerator it is 110x, which is equal to 3300 into 100. So x is equal to 3300 into 100 divided by, take this term to the denominator, 110. Okay, so now 0 get cancelled. When we apply 11 tables, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Here 00 you have, just put as it is. Okay, so 300 into 10, it is 3000. Okay, so x is nothing but cost of the item. Okay, so find the price of the air cooler before VAT has been added is nothing but cost of the item. Okay, so price of the air cooler, okay, before VAT is equal to rupees 3000. Okay, this is the answer for the given problem. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.